Okay, so let's jump to the screen sharing. And now this is actually first a preview of the 5-day challenge with Go High Level. This is one that I just introduced earlier, so I wanted to show you how to start. So this is the full landing page. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is what you will get access to. And then this is where you can claim your trial. So you get 14 days for free. So you just need to enter your company name, phone number. So we just do an example. So my company is Wupscale. Here are my email address. And then if you go to step two, you can select the package that you want to sign up with. This is going to be the starter plan. So this is 14-day free and then $97 per month. So you just need to put in your card number and then you'll get 14 days for free. So I'll actually do this now, enter my card information, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so after signing up with your GoHighLevel account, this is going to be the first screen that you see. This is going to be a quick onboarding in 9 steps. So first is going to be setting up a strong password for yourself. So let me just use something. You need to add a special character, number, uppercase, lowercase, and at least 8 characters. Once you have it, you can click continue, and then you need to verify your email. So let me just pull up my email account, and I already have the verification number. We just enter this, and now you need to confirm your phone number. So it's sending a text to my phone, already received. 567. Okay. Next, you need to set up a billing address. For this, you can use your own address or your company's data. I'm going to enter mine, Summit Hungary. This is actually my company data. Okay, we can continue. How do you plan to use GoHighLevel? So I'll actually use it as a marketing agency. You can use it as a business owner. It doesn't really matter. So let's just continue with the marketing agency. Do you plan to resell GoHighLevel? So you actually have the option to white label GoHighLevel and sell it to others as a custom price. You can charge $50 per month. You can charge $500 per month. So let's say, yes, I plan to resell, and then in the future, I can show you how to. What industry are you in? So I'm in the marketing industry, marketing agency. Okay, let's continue. How many clients are you managing? So currently, it's just about 10 for me, but it's just the basic information for Go High Level, so you can enter basically that. And what would you like to focus on first? So let's say for me, it's going to be a funnel and converting new leads. And okay, what platforms are you using? So personally, I use Calendly. Let's look at the list. Mm, Wix I don't really use. Zapier I use. Mm, and yeah, you can also search for some. Oh no, actually that's all. HubSpot you also have. For me currently it's these two. So let's set up my account. Now you also get a free onboarding code. So you can just click the link, sorry. So you can just click this link and then get an onboarding call with Go High Level team. But you can also just continue. And now here's the foundational setup, something more that you need to do. So let's see. Okay, you can watch the tutorial on how to generate leads, how to create a new contact, how to import and engage all your contacts. So there's a lot that you can do inside GoHelp. So I show you everything on the next live call, and then we'll build it together step by step. And at the end, you know how you can sell it to clients, how you can white label GoHighLevel and sell to other marketers or marketing agencies, how you can get affiliates also with GoHighLevel because it has a built-in affiliate program. So we'll do the rest on the next live call.